Hi, it's Bethany and welcome to today's video. Today I am really excited because I'm going to plan out my weekly view, my first ever weekly view in my Amplify planner. This is the Q2 in Coral, April to June 2021. So I actually just recently filmed my April and it didn't have the decal on it yet. So now hopefully it's picking up how like shiny this is, but it's really cool looking. I did mess up the decal a little bit, and we can see that here. It just had like a little ripple in it, and that's totally my fault because I'm not used to putting these on. So there and there kind of messed up, but I think I balanced it out by cutting off this other side. So this is the one that messed up, and then I sliced this piece off so it kind of balanced. I think it looks cool still, and I'm happy with it. But next time I think what I would do is I would do the decal in pieces, like snip around it while it's on its backing so that I could just focus on this and then do the other pieces of it, because I tried to do it as one piece and it obviously was overwhelming and I didn't completely get it on right. I also need to trim some of these down here because I got a little on the edge here. There we go, where it's like kind of overhanging a little bit. So I need to fix that. But overall, it's super cute. I'll put a link to the company I used for this, and this is specific for the Amplify planner. So I thought that was really cool that it fits around it just perfectly. Okay, so here's the weekly view. I did do some pre-planning with some little post-it notes here. What I'm gonna do for this is I'm actually going to let you know where I'm headed with everything, and then I'm going to do a speed up of the actual planning because this is my first time planning this planner. I almost didn't even like film it just because I thought I need to figure it out first before I film it, but I was like, no, let's just do it together and it will still be fun. So what I'm planning to do is split out the horizontal layout to essentially be during the day kind of work stuff. Middle is for things I need to do for myself. Usually this is going to be my workout schedule, and then over here is stuff for the kids or evening appointments. So I think that will work out relatively well. I want to use this area for meal planning, and I'm going to use these new sticker books from Chrissy Ann Design. I was really excited when these came out. These are from Michaels. They're new. I've seen them on a couple other planner channels as well, but I've always really liked the look of Chrissy Ann Designs, but I haven't ever purchased them or tried them because I'll be honest, they seemed like they were a little on the pricier side, and also it looked like it was going to take a little bit longer to order them. Like the timeline was always a little bit longer than I have patience for, and also they're vinyl and it's not really my thing. I kind of like more of the matte finish stickers. So when this came out, I'm like, that's perfect. That I can get them super fast, really affordable. Each of these books I think was maybe like 10 bucks, and they're matte, they're not the vinyl, so I still get that cute look of Chrissy Ann Designs. It's just like the perfect situation. So I saw these, I was like, yes, need those in my life, add to cart, and they came in the mail like 2 days later. So again, these were michaels.com, and I think it's this book. Yeah, this book has a sticker that fits perfectly here, so that's really why I wanted to use these books for today to just kind of get some plans in. So the ones I have are, let's see, I thought they had names to them. I thought this was like crafting and this one was like celebrations or something, I think. Yeah, those were the names of them, I think, when I ordered them, but it doesn't really say it anywhere on here. So those are the books that I have and what I'll be using today for my weekly spread. This is again for the first week in April. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to, like I mentioned before, speed it up as I'm working through things and thinking through it. And then at the end, I'll kind of talk through what I did. So here is my spread for next week, my first week in my Amplify planner, and I think it turned out super cute. It definitely is taking a little bit of time to get back to the groove of a horizontal layout, but that's what I started with on this channel, actually, was a horizontal planner. So it was kind of nice to have it back and be in that kind of a layout again. And I think it is a nice mix up to having the vertical, because the daily is in a vertical layout, and actually the little grid is kind of growing on me because it did make it easy to draw in some lines and space things out a bit. I did not do lines over here just because we don't have any evening stuff yet, and I didn't feel a need to put those in. Something else that's pretty cool about Amplify Planner is all of the freebie downloads they have on their website, which is awesome. So there is a way to download the vertical layout if you want to. But I just kind of wanted to try the horizontal because I think it's a nice way to mix it up and just try that again. Speaking of freebie downloads, the other thing I downloaded is this cleaning schedule. So got this off of the website. Actually, I think this is one where you email them and they can send it to you. But I just printed this onto some sticker paper, and I'm going to stick this on the page that goes after the weekly layout. So there is a stock grid page, and I'm going to use this here for the week and see how I like that as well. I'm just going to stick it in now. I don't make you watch me write out my entire cleaning checklist, but I'm just going to stick that in, and then I think this is just about done. And there is my cleaning schedule for the week. I'll fill that out later, but I think it looks really nice and the fonts match with the rest of the planner. So I think that that download is really cool. I do really like the sticker paper that I have found, so I'll put a link to that. It's just an Amazon link if you wanted to check it out. All right, well, thank you so much for joining today's plan with me, my first weekly spread in my Amplify. Thanks for joining me all the way to the end. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.